Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So in today's video, this is a hair install. I just want to say thank you so much BGM Hair for sending me this hair. So this is their 360 upgraded lace wig in a stunning 24-inch water wave texture. I'll be installing it and styling it in 3 different ways for you guys, so stay tuned and watch. Okay, now let's get into the video. So now I'm just gonna be unboxing for y'all to show you guys what comes in the box when you order this hair. So obviously they're cute box. You open it up and you get this card that just gives you some information about posting on TikTok and contacting them. And this is their brochure on how to install, more information on the hair and how to take care of it as well, and then more stuff at the back. So this is an elastic band and an extra elastic band for the back, and the other one's the elastic melt band. And these are glue strips that come already like tacky, so then it makes it easier to install the wig. I'll show you guys how I use it later on. And now let's talk about the wig and why it's a game changer. So it features upgraded 3D fitted lace with deep parting for a supernatural look, and look at how beautiful the curls are. Water wave is so stunning. It's literally the best for beginners and it's so easy to maintain. Look at that flow. This is 24 inches. Look at that, it comes pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and it has tiny invisible knots which helps it, you know, melt down very easily. And like, it's stunning already. So now I'm just taking the stuff off to show you guys even closer. So inside it has these invisible drawstrings that adjust easily to fit any head size, and then it has 3 combs that you can put in to your cornrows as well, and then it has this elastic band as well for better grip. I don't really like that color, so I add foundation to make it blend in more. Since it's a 360 wig, you'll have to glue it all around or use the tape all around. I tried to tape from the back, but it kept sticking onto my natural hair, so I just used a spray. You'll see in the video. And now look, after the foundation and everything, it blends perfectly and stunning. And now this is just an install process. So this is where I will be trying to adjust it, and it's perfect because it came, I'm pretty sure, in a small, and then around the ears is C-cut, so it's like perfect for my ears. And now this is just me tightening this. I was a little bit scared the elastic would snap, so I kept like squinting, but it didn't. It's actually pretty strong. And see, as you can tell here, it fits perfectly around my ear. And then I'm just showing you guys the back to show you that it really is 360, and it looks so natural already from the back, like lace wear. So these are the tape strips, and it comes like this. It's both sides is sticky, so you take it off, and then some of them come in pairs of 4, and other ones is just 2 big blocks. So for the sides I used the little ones like this. It was kind of hard to remove the blue part, I think, because I had nails. Made it a bit harder. And this is the 2 big blocks, and you just put it on. It's so easy to use actually, and it's already tacky, so you don't really need to wait. You can just start putting the lace on like I'm doing here. And honestly, it was so easy and so quick to do, but I missed a little bit. I should have moved the tape a little bit forward, so I just went over it with my Got2b spray and Got2b glue. And now this was me attempting to do the back, and that did not go so well, so I ended up using the spray and then the gel. And then I tie it down and I style it for you guys, and I tried 3 different styles. They're quick and easy for you to try. And it was so fun styling this wig. Honestly, I have never tried a 360 wig before, but this was so much fun and so easy, and I loved how it came pre-ready, like it was pre-cut, pre-bleached, everything was ready. And since it's curly, I don't really have to do much. I didn't even have to add water, nothing. I just let it melt for 10 minutes as well, don't forget that. And yeah, that's kind of it. I just ran my finger through it and it was basically ready, and I changed my shirt, you know, to look more presentable. And just look at the melt. Look at this melt, guys. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp lace wear. It's giving I grew up with this hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very quick and easy install, and you know, if you don't take 20 minutes to install, that's okay too. I'm used to installing wigs, so I guess I could be faster. But either way, it's really quick, beginner friendly, and I really recommend starting with water wave or any curly wave hair at first because it's the easiest to maintain. If you found this helpful and you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For the hair details, check the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bound out on the